From old cables to bright brass wire, sorted, melted, alloyed, cast, drawn, and packed. Simple idea. Careful steps. Watch the full build. Bales of scrap wire arrive. We cut straps and spread the bundle. A magnet lifts out any steel. Hands pull heavy insulation and dirt. Clean feed gives clean metal later. We bag the copper for melting. Clean copper drops into the induction furnace. Heat rises steady. The bath turns liquid. Dross floats. We skim it off and hold temperature. The goal is a calm, clear melt. Now we add zinc to the copper to make brass. We cover the bath so zinc loss stays low. The stir mixes for even chemistry. A quick sample test confirms the grade. We're good. Liquid brass flows to a continuous caster. Water-cooled molds turn it into solid rods. The strand pulls forward, straightens, and gets cut to length. Hot rods head to the rack. Rods warm in a furnace to the right extrusion heat. Hot, not mushy. The press pushes rod through a die. A long, smooth brass rod exits and coils. We let it rest before drawing. We brush or lightly pickle, then rinse and dry. A thin drawing lube goes on. Clean surface equals better dies, better wire. The rod feeds a multi-die drawing machine. Each die is smaller than the last. Length grows, diameter drops. We watch speed, lube, and exit temperature. A mic checks size after stages to keep the line on target. After heavy reduction, the wire is work hardened. It runs through an annealing furnace. Heat resets the grain and brings softness back. Now it can draw again without cracks. Back to smaller dies for final size. We chase tight tolerance from end to end. Laser gauges watch the line in real time. If numbers drift, the line adjusts. The surface turns bright and smooth. Some orders need stranded wire. We twist multiple ends with even lay. Others stay single end for zippers, mesh, springs, or connectors. Spools fill with level win and neat edges. For cut lengths, wire passes a straightener. Shears drop exact bars into bins. Ends are square. Counts are right. We test diameter, tensile, elongation, and bend. We check surface under bright light. A small piece is broken to read the grain. If numbers miss, we redraw or re-anneal. Only good spools move forward. We wipe off extra lube. A thin anti-tarnish coat goes on if needed. Finish looks bright and stays bright. Spools get edge guards and shrink wrap. Labels list alloy, size, lot, and weight. Pallets strap tight and wrap for travel. Paperwork rides with the load. This brass wire becomes zippers, screens, springs, and connectors. Old copper found a new job. Less waste, more value. Like builds like this? Subscribe and tell us the next process to open.